In working with Society Archives, one of the first things we realized at Wiley was the immense amount of data stored within these archives, most of it trapped within print analog documents, particularly in handwritten field notes and manuscript notes. In order to facilitate the use of that data, Wiley's created a tool by which any data that's been tabularized or kept inside a statistical chart can be accessed and exported right from that document directly into Excel. So for example, in the New York Academy of Sciences Puerto Rico survey, I see the table of monthly rainfall in 1932. This orange highlight and the icon over here tell me that this table is available for export. Once I click on that table, it will download an Excel file, and opening up that table will show me a fielded data representation of the statistics within that graph. What we're trying to do here is save researchers time to bring data that might have been left behind because it hasn't been available ever in electronic format before to life, and to save hours on research while extending researchers' ability to interpolate data from historical sources into more modern sources and create studies that bridge longer timeframes and incorporate more data than simply using what's available digitally now. This holds true not just for printed tables, but for handwritten documents as well. The process is called double keying, by which two people will key in the same chart. If the charts match, we call that a match. If they differ, it goes to a third person who makes any corrections in order to make the charts match the image. The images are always available for the researcher if they want to check the data against the original source in the image itself.